Grease may have been the word back in the 50s, but in today's food processing environment, greases are extremely important because their high viscosity generally means that A, they can withstand higher temperatures without melting or running off. B, they are more water resistant. And C, they are better at sticking to vertical surfaces. Greases are really just lubricating oils that have a thickening agent like aluminum complex added to the formulation. Unfortunately, making these lubricants thicker is also what limits how the grease can be applied. Generally speaking, the thicker the grease, the more difficult it will be to spray or pump into specific areas where it's needed. Just imagine trying to spray peanut butter under a tight spot in the conveyor. The consistency of a grease is defined as the degree to which it resists deformation under the application force and temperature. It takes into account the plasticity and viscosity of the grease. The ASTM test for consistency features a specific cone that is allowed to sink for 5 seconds under its own weight into a sample of grease held at 25 degrees Celsius. The depth that the cone penetrates into the grease is expressed in tenths of a millimeter and reported as the penetration of the grease. Since the cone will sink further into soft greases, they will have higher penetrations. On the basis of the ASTM test, the National Lubricating and Grease Institute has standardized a numerical scale for classifying the consistency of greases. The consistency numbers start at 000 to 00 to 0, and then from 1 to 6. The higher the number, the higher the consistency. Typically, both the ASTM cone penetration measurement and the NLGI number are reported. The Sprayon NSF H1 food-grade lubricants offering features 2 products with an NLGI rating of 2. Remember that peanut butter consistency? Not only do these greases provide all the performance characteristics associated with an NLGI 2 grease, but you also get the application flexibility that only an aerosol can provide. To learn more about the entire line of NSF H1 high-performance food-grade lubricants, the Sprayon 5S visual management system, and our full line of high-performance industrial chemicals and lubricants, please visit us at sprayon.com. Thanks for watching. Please also check out these other Sprayon videos.